Open Adobe Illustrator and open the file that contains the artwork you want to download as an image. First, make sure only the part you want is ready. If you want to export just one design, select it. If you want the whole artboard, you don't need to select anything. Now go to the top left and click File. If you want the cleanest and easiest image, click Export, then Export As. Choose a location on your computer, then pick the format. PNG for a transparent background, JPG for a normal image background, SVG if you want a scalable web graphic. After choosing the format, click Export. If you chose PNG, set the background to transparent if you want no background. Then choose the quality or resolution you want and click OK. Once it's exported, open the folder you saved to and your image will be there ready to use. I hope this helped. Kindly like the video, subscribe, and press the bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.